Now we're going to talk about the starter system for the Tupperware stack cooking system. This is from Microwave Cooking. You get a 3/4 quart little small casserole, you get the cone, and you get a 3-quart dish. We're going to make a bundt cake today at Miss Sue's Tupperware party.
In the microwave?
In the microwave. You know, on average, a bundt cake will take between 35 minutes, 40 minutes. This will be done in 8 minutes. Wow. With microwave cooking and reheating, cooking's 100% power. Reheating 70% power. You have to let your food sit for 5 minutes because it is still cooking. Even though the microwave has gone off, it is still cooking. All the water molecules in your food are boiling, they're moving around, still cooking, still cooking, still cooking. So let it sit for 5 minutes before you start serving from it or eating from it. Okay? So we're going to make the cake to do in the microwave in here. I know. You add 1.5 cups of water. And to make this healthier, we're going to use 3/4 cup of applesauce instead of vegetable oil in here. I know, we're eating healthier.
She made this cake at the last party, and I saw this, and I just thought it was so cool.
Isn't it shocking? Shocking.
She would never know that the applesauce was in there.
I know. 3 eggs. We're going to put 3 eggs in here. Oops, that was bad. Sorry, Miss Sue. I'll make clean up the mess. In here, and then we're going to add the cake mix. Chocolate cake. Any kind of cake mix. I mean, chocolate looks the best when you microwave cook it. This cake will not have frosting. We're going to eat it a little bit healthier. We're going to use powdered sugar on it, and we're going to use fresh strawberries. We're going to apply, put those on afterwards and stuff. I know. There are other things you can do with this while I'm stirring this up to get the lumps out. Other things you can do with this. With this cone in here, you can do stuffed bell peppers. You know, instead of baking them in the oven, you would just put them in here and you would steam them in here.
That's cool. That
Yeah.
stand out.
Yeah. You can take out the cone and you can do a whole chicken in here. 5 minutes per pound. For all meats, you do 5 minutes per pound. With the bone, without the bone. How do you make the chicken look lovely brown like you've baked it? You take browning sauce and you rub it on the outside of the chicken. You take Montreal steak seasoning, you sprinkle it over the top. I put white wine. Sometimes I put a little beer in the bottom. You can put a little water. Then you put the top on and you put it into the microwave. Remember, 5 minutes per pound. So if this is a 3-pound chicken, this will be done in 15 minutes. It'll sit for 5. It's still cooking. Take it out and serve it onto the table. So just other uses that you can use this for.
Come cook at my house?
Sure, I can take care of that at your party. That's no problem.
Party. She'll make
No
it
problem at all. All right, let me spray down the container. A little non-stick here. That's okay. That's all right if it does that, because now that's going to hold that cone in place while I pour the cake mix in. A little suction in there. And then we just pour this in, just like a regular bundt pan.
Wow.
Microwave cake in the microwave.
Yes, microwave cake. All right.
You know, we had the cake contest at our group meeting.
Oh, really? Oh, you can do it, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I like
We
that.
do potlucks in church all the time. That'd be great for that.
Mm-hmm. So just put the top on, and then insert it into the microwave. Right?
Wonderful to be able to plan ahead and do things ahead of time with my family. It's just make life so much easier.
Exactly.
So I would love to do that.
Well, it's been 5 minutes, Miss Sue.
Oh,
Let's
okay.
get the cake out
All
of the
right.
microwave.
Great.
Oh, yay.
All right.
Sure smells good, doesn't it?
It smells delicious.
Did you notice I didn't need pot holders?
Oh.
The handles stay
Great.
cool. They stay very cool. It's been sitting in the microwave for 5 minutes after the buzzer went out because those water molecules still cooking, And then, so I'm going to just flip it out onto here, onto the cake taker. Ready?
Oh, my gosh.
Wow. Look at
Bundt.
that.
Nice bundt.
Yeah. Even when my mother-in-law was home.
I know. Now for a little bit healthier option, we're going to put powdered sugar on here instead of gooping on some frosting on there. There you go. And then we'll add a couple of fresh strawberries.
Just can't get better than chocolate and strawberries.
I know. This will be good.
How fancy.
There you go.
I could do that.
Now, if you had fun here today and you want to earn your own free Tupperware, you might want to think about hosting your own in-home party. Remember, we can do a cake at your party. You can get this as a half-price option or with host dollars if you want. And then we can talk about also if you're interested in selling Tupperware. I'd love to have you on my team. Are there any questions about the products today?
When do we get to eat?
Thank you, ladies, very much for coming here today. I hope you had a good time. I hope you learned some money-saving and time-saving ideas using the Vent and Serve products. I'm going to slice up the cake here pretty soon. But just remember, as far as hosting a party, I can make a cake at your party as well in the microwave. Bring the Vent and Serve. You can get it at half price or for free. If you're interested in earning it for absolutely free and getting the starter system, please see me in the living room. I'll add up your orders in there. Thank you very much for coming, and I hope you have a wonderful evening.
Thank you.
Thank you.